very good morning to all you guys out there. We're over here at Car Park 7 going down to Changi Bay Point. It's the last day of the year 2022, so we're gonna be this is gonna be our last fishing session for the year. Looking forward to 2023 to bigger, better things, right? There'll be some changes on my channel for the year 2023. Yeah, I'm gonna be taking a different approach, and yeah, you guys will see. You guys will see. So let's without further ado, let's head on down to Changi Bay Point. Fish on! Oh, yosha! 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 Oi! Okay guys, got myself this MJ and the Lazy Man rig circle hook. Get him one up. There you go. There you go. What could it be? It's an MJ. Woo! Hey guys, got this MJ with the M65 11A, one of my favorite lures to use over here in Changi Bay Point. Woohoo! Let's get him unhooked. Gotta get out of the breakers here though. Do you like adventure? Oh, the wind. Okay guys, we're calling it early. Conditions are pretty tough. There are white caps all around and the wind is really strong. I'm pretty sure you can hear in the video when I was out by the drain. The winds were howling, so we're heading back. I'm having some drive issues as well, so it's best to be safe and head on back while you still can, right? So, see you guys in the next one. Peace.